welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the magical world of touch and feel in Montessori activities. The sense of touch plays a huge role in early childhood learning, and Montessori education takes full advantage of this. Touch is one of our primary senses and plays a crucial role in learning. Through hands-on experiences, children develop concentration, coordination, and even pre-writing skills. But how do Montessori activities help? Let's take a look. Texture boards and fabric swatches help children distinguish between rough, smooth, soft, and bumpy surfaces. This enhances their descriptive vocabulary and sensory discrimination. By engaging children's sense of touch, we help them build stronger connections to their world. Montessori's hands-on approach makes learning more natural and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.